Once a person walked by a garden every day and saw a flower growing near their home, but they didn't like it, so they would always step on it and pull its petals, saying, "Go away, I don't want you here." Yet the flower kept growing back. One day the person tried to destroy the flower completely, but after that their own health started to get worse. They felt weak and tired, and their heart ached deeply. One evening they collapsed, and thought it was the end. When they opened their eyes, they saw a doctor by their side. The doctor said, "You are lucky to be alive. Someone found you in the time and called for help." The person looked around and saw the same flower still blooming nearby. It was as if the flower was watching over them. The doctor smiled and said, "You should take care of the things around you. They might take care of you one day." Moral of the story: just because something is not perfect doesn't mean it doesn't have value. Not everything in life is your enemy. Flower can teach us kindness and patience. If you enjoy this story, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more stories. Thank you.